Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. Well, there is a good news for all of us that applications for RVC, that is Remount Veterinary Corps, are now open for both male and female veterinary candidates. It is a good news because earlier these applications were open only for male veterinary candidates and female were not able to apply to it, but this time both male and female candidates are open to apply for this. So, this video will be discussed mainly about the RVC application process. Let's begin with it. Let's begin with the eligibility criteria. First comes the age. The applicant's age must be between 21 to 32 years as on last date of application. Next, coming to the minimum educational qualification, it should be BVSc and AH from a recognized university. Also, please note that the applicants should have completed their BVSc and AH with internship at the time of application. In addition to this, the candidate must possess mark sheet of all years including the final year and internship completion certificate as well. Moving on to vacancies. So, the total number of vacancies displayed this time are 20 in number, out of which 16 are reserved for males and 4 are reserved for female candidates. Next, method of selection. So, first there will be shortlisting of applications, then followed by SSB interview, and then the final merit list would be prepared. Next, let's come to the documents that would be required with application form. First, original or provisional BVSc and AH degree with final year mark sheet. Then MVSc or PhD degree certificate, internship completion certificate, matriculation certificate, self-attested photographs pasted on the application, 2 self-addressed stamped envelopes. Lastly, coming to the last date of application, it is 5th June 2023. So, make sure that all the interested candidates submit their applications well before time. Also, I have earlier made a detailed video on RVC on my channel. I would link it above and also in the description box below for you to watch it if you want to know more about RVC. So, yes, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends so that they are also informed about it if they aren't already. And yes, if you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe to Vet Visit, and do hit the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever a new video comes up. Do follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do. Also, to all the interested candidates, a very big thumbs up and best of luck from my side.